Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for September 11th through the 17th in my social media planner using the rest of the Vintage Love kit from Mahanor Studio. I am still on her PR team, and you can use my code Megan15 to save yourself 15% off of her shop and get yourself some awesome, adorable stickers. So this is the leftover pieces from the kit. And I have used this in one of my previous social media spreads. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I will leave it in the cards and in the description so you can check that out. But we're going to go ahead and jump into this week. So I did not do a social media spread last week because I was getting ready for Disneyland and I don't really need a full social media spread for Disneyland. So I did do a mini one on my Instagram page. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, I will leave that video link in the, or real link I guess, in the description. So if you want to see how I set that up. But last time we did a plan with me was on the Magic School Bus kit using Simply Sweetly Crafty, and I loved it. So we are going to go ahead and get started with this spread. I do need to figure out what kind of washi I'm going to use because I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so the last time I did this spread, I used this washi. This is like some floral washi, and then I think I'm going to use this pink because I don't really have, I think I used up all of my pale yellow washi, so we're going to go with pink this time. Okay, so let's go ahead and lay down this box here. I'm going to try and use up this whole kit because I love using her stickers. I think they're fun and really awesome to incorporate in a spread, so that is what we're doing. I also realized that I do need to get one of her journaling kits, or her full box sets, and if you saw my kit storage organization video, then you've seen this before, and I do actually, that one is really popular. Apparently a lot of you guys really like it, so if you are interested in checking that out, I will leave it in the description box. I think we're going to use black, because I still have quite a few of them to use, but I don't know. Yeah, we're going to do black because I haven't used the black boxes yet, and I want to use these. So this is one of her box sets. These are the only things that you can't use my affiliate code, oh my gosh, my PR code on because they're already discounted. So when you do use my PR code and save yourself that money, you won't see the reflection in the, oh my gosh, words are hard, in the box sets because they're already on that discount. And these I like to use for my PRs, to track those. And I do need to get my scissors. I think they fell on the floor actually. Y'all, by the time you see this video, I will be in Disneyland. I'm actually filming this a little bit early because I'm going to be out of town, and y'all, I am so excited. I cannot tell you how much I have been looking forward to this trip. And we're going on it in just a few days, and I am literally, I'm so ready for it. I have been ready for this trip for such a long time, and now it's finally here, and I'm just excited. Okay, so I'm going to use this sticker here, and I'm going to cover up. I am going to white that out. Where did my whiteout go? That's the one that fell on the floor. So I am going to white out Weekly Habit Tracker because I don't need that specific piece in here, and I'm going to use this box to put my Instagram pods, and then I will write them in down here. This is a little off center because the boxes are a different size, but I think it'll be fine. Now I want to add some bullets. And I do need to, oopsie, oh my goodness, I completely forget that this is just a little bit shorter. Where did my whiteout go? I do need to add the title for these because this is in my filming and editing lists. So filming and then the other one's editing. So since we are just going with the neutral colors here, I'm going to put this one. Oh, I do need to white this box out. We're going to put this one here for filming. I don't know if I'm going to have a lot of filming to do this week because I'm going to be working quite a lot, but in case I need it, I will put the title. I guess I should probably do that now. I was going to say I'll put the title down after I fill this part out, but I do want this title to be on here. Let's add some of these. I kind of want to add some blue, so we are going to pop this one in here. Oops. Oh, got a little stuck. Okay. I did, this is not how they come. Obviously, this is me saving space on my spread, but this is something that I like to do. I actually learned this from one of my friends on YouTube. Her name is Holly, and she shared that she likes to combine things to make it a little bit more combined. So that's what I've been doing. Ooh, I want to use this quote, but not there. So we will put this one here. It's a little long, but we'll cut it. And put these like this. I think that looks fine. I am enjoying that. And we are going to add a tiny little flower to incorporate that in here. Ooh, there we go. It grabbed too many. Ooh, should we use the tiny one? I think we are going to use this one. Okay, now I need to put some boxes down because I do need to have some for different events happening in this month, because we do have, I am still on a lot of different PRs. I'm still waiting to hear if I'm going to be on another PR, but we'll see. And then I also am on my Growing Modestly's affiliate team, and her shop reopened, and y'all, her stickers are beautiful and I am obsessed. You have to check it out if you haven't already, because her reopening is just gorgeous, and I highly recommend you guys go to her website if you haven't seen the new releases yet. I did share them on my Instagram and on TikTok as well, so if you haven't seen them yet, then you are missing out. I think I'm just going to put this right here for other things. There we go. Okay, I think this side is done. Let's go over to this side now. Now, I am going to do something a little strange because usually I use this box up here for my Simply Sweetly Crafty posts. However, I am trying out something new this month, and I'm thinking of doing it along with all of my other PRs, and I'm just going to keep it together. So I'm going to use this box for decorative purposes this week, and if I do like how I'm doing this, then I will continue to, but you'll find out next week if I choose to continue doing this or not. Oh, well, sorry Tuesday, you're gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to get my boxes out for that. That's fun. Oh wow, this is taking up a lot of space. I didn't expect it to take up this much space. I mean, I'm not upset about it, but it's a very large sticker. We're going to scooch it over here so I have room for the word Tuesday. I'm going to cut off that tail a little bit, but it'll be fine. Okay, so we're going to have to make sure Tuesday's here, so I can't put the quote there, but we will put this one over here on Sunday, because Sundays are usually the days where I don't have too much going on, so I'm okay with covering up quite a bit of Sunday's box. And I'm going to put this quote here, but I want this part gone. All right, this is good. I do need to white out Sunday because I'm going to be whiting out the rest of these words, so I might as well. I did run out of my Mahanor Studio scripts, so if you're wondering why I'll be using another person's scripts, I think I'm probably going to end up using Planet Darby's. That's why, because I ran out of my scripts, so oopsie. Let's put this box on Wednesday. And we'll do another here. And I do want to keep this blue here. Is that crooked? I think it's just me. I feel like it's just me. I really love that I added pink. I think that was the perfect idea. I do think that if I had some yellow washi that matched this a little bit better, it probably would have looked, you know, brought in that yellow a little bit more, but I digress. I think it's still super, super cute, and I am so happy with the way it turned out. I did say at the beginning of the video, Mahanor Studio, she did rebrand into the Cosmic Studio, so I apologize if I get those two, you know, mixed up for a little bit, but if you do want to save yourself 15%, like I've said a few times, you can use my code Megan15, save yourself 15% off of her Etsy shop, and you will get a lot of really awesome stickers and lots of awesome designs to choose from. She's got tons of different varieties, and I know that she is planning on doing some really awesome new releases eventually, so I really, really recommend you guys check her out. If you did like this video and you want to see it more, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss when I post new videos and you are inspired by the videos that I post. If you are inspired, don't forget to tell me. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was in the comments section below. Let's chat and have a conversation together. If you are interested in seeing how I've decorated my dashboard spreads, I do have an entire playlist related to this spread, and I do also have other playlists related to other different layouts. So I've got my classic vertical, my social media, which is this one. I also have my budget and my health and wellness, so lots of videos for you to browse if you are interested. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really, really, really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!